All right, my friend, welcome. Dr. Anthony Balduzzi here, and in this video, we're gonna cover one of the most effective metabolism boosting and energy boosting workouts that you need to be doing called Pyramix 10. And what this workout is essentially a workout that involves a single pair of dumbbells or a pair of kettlebells. So you're gonna see me on this video demo the workout, but I have my kettlebells below. These are the awesome Primal Chimp kettlebells. And how this workout works is we're gonna be going through a series of 5 different exercises. A kettlebell swing or a dumbbell swing, a squat that's front loaded. I'm gonna show you all this on video. A shoulder press, a row, which is the pull, and then a push up to end. This is this workout. Now we have 5 exercises and we're gonna do them in a pyramid style fashion, hence Pyramix. We're gonna start at level 1. We're gonna do 1 rep of all of these exercises without rest. So 1 swing, 1 squat, 1 shoulder press, 1 row, 1 push up. Then we're gonna rest, get our breath. Typically those rest periods in between each level is gonna be around 45 to 60 seconds. Then we're gonna go to 2 all the way through. Then we're gonna rest. Level 3 reps on all these exercises, then we rest. Key point, we do not rest between these exercises. We rest after we complete a full 5 exercise cycle. And this workout is incredibly simple. A couple things I love about it is it's simple. You only need very minimal equipment. I'm talking about a pair of dumbbells, a pair of kettlebells, and around 7 feet of floor space, which is great because if you're a busy person and you're traveling a lot like I do, sometimes you're staying at hotels that have hotel gyms. Not all hotel gyms are well equipped with the right kind of machines, but all hotel gyms have a pair of dumbbells that you can use for this workout. So no matter where you are in your performance and fitness journey, whether you're just starting and not exercising or you're a veteran, this workout will challenge you and meet you right where you're at, and it's incredibly safe. And another great thing about this workout is these motions, swing, squat, overhead press, row, and push up are the fundamental motions that we need to stay strong and healthy at because a lot of us sit at desks all day. We're hunched over like this. We have this kyphotic posture in our upper back and we want to be nice, strong, and aligned. These exercises will challenge that and help improve your posture while also boosting your metabolism. This is the most effective way to essentially get a metabolism boost because we're gonna get cardio. As you're gonna see when you try this workout, it's very cardiovascularly effective, but we're also gonna get strength because we're moving weight in short rest periods. That's the most effective recipe. That's why I wanna share this workout with you and put it in your toolbox as something you can use. If you wanna increase your metabolism and burn more fat, this workout's the answer a couple times per week. If you're traveling and you have under an hour to get a great workout in and only a pair of dumbbells, this workout's the answer. So without further ado, here is my chicken scratch. For the rest of this video, you're gonna actually see me demonstrate a full cycle of all of these. We're gonna probably do something in the 3 or 4 rep range so we can talk about the key form points and you know exactly how to do this workout. And of course, as always, there's gonna be a PDF download for this workout that you can print out, put in a notebook, put in a journal, and take with you so you know how to do this on the fly. This is one of my most effective workouts. I've used this over at the Fit Father Project to help guys lose literally thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds because of how good this is in metabolism boosting, and now you have this in your arsenal. Let's dive on in, and I'm gonna demo this workout for you right now. All right, so the Pyramix workout. To get started, what we need is a pair of dumbbells or a pair of kettlebells. Either work. I think the kettlebells are a little easier to do the swings, but I'm gonna show you as you have all the equipment available that you can do this with any kind of setup. So to dive straight in, first thing you're gonna do to start the workout is a swing. And if we were starting at the bottom of the period, we'd start with 1 rep, but I'm gonna pretend like we've done a couple sets and do a set of 4 on each of those so you can really see the form points. So the workout starts off with swings. So first thing is the dumbbells or the kettlebells are right here, kind of in your crotch area. You wanna have a wide enough stance that like you're not narrow because they can't go through your legs. A wide enough stance so you can hinge from the hip right here. So I have a slight hinge, but notice that my back is still flat and my head's still aligned. I'm not down here, I'm right here. Once you hinge, you're gonna fire your glutes and get the kettlebells up. So it's just like this. Breathe out on the way up. This is how you do a kettlebell swing. My arms and my shoulders staying back, and I know it seems like I might be using my arms, but I'm actually using my legs and my glutes. And this is why it's such a good metabolism boosting exercise, because it engages all that lower body musculature and it can help improve your posture. So I'm not doing this. a really heavy front raise with my shoulder. All the momentum is coming because I'm popping my hips through. Kind of like you're air humping. So just pretend like it's practice for some stuff you might be doing later. Right, just like this. Coming through. And again, if I had the dumbbells instead of the kettlebells, what I would do is hold them like this, so they're straight forward, not like this. They won't be able to fit through your legs. And then just right here, just like this. You hold them at the top of the dumbbells. Nice bend, fire those glutes, squeeze those glutes. So the workout will start with those swings. Let's say I'll do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Immediately to squats. I would catch the dumbbells or the kettlebells, get about shoulder width apart with my feet, squeeze them hard, and now with the squat, the idea is you're basically sitting back in a chair. So I'm gonna take a deep breath, spine is nice and aligned, I'm coming down. 1, right to parallel, coming right back up. Squeeze. 2, 3, 4. Some problems that I see often with people doing the squats is as they're coming down, they round forward, just like this. Remember, we want to keep that upright spine at all times, so I want you to feel like there's a string on the top of your head, pulling you up, keeping you nice aligned. Another problem I see is people allow their knees to track way too far forward over their toes, and that heel lifts off the ground. So this is a bad squat. If I feel like my heels are coming off the ground and I'm kind of falling forward, what you want to do is feel like you're sitting back in a chair. So right here, I'm sitting backwards in a chair, pausing right here at 90 degrees, firing right up. So I would have done 4 swings, immediately to 4 squats. Obviously, I'm pausing to explain this to you, but those would be back to back with no rest. And then after I finish my last squat, I'd be right here for an overhead shoulder press. So swing, squat, press, right on up, right on down. Keep that core tight. One thing you don't want to do is lean back while you're doing this, so core is tight. Right on up here. Squeeze those dumbbells, those kettlebells. Right on up. Last one, 4. Right here. Good, right on down. So again, key form points of the overhead press. Feet are roughly shoulder width apart. Core is tight, pressing right overhead. They touch, and they come right on down. Now we get down for the rows. So with the rows, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna position, whether we're using the kettlebells or the dumbbells, roughly at about a shoulder width position. So I'm gonna use the kettlebells first, and I'll also demo with the dumbbells. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put our hands on the kettlebells, and we're gonna get into a nice strong plank position right here. So here in this position, notice that my butt's not too high and I'm not sagging down like this. I'm in a nice strong position, my head's in line, my shoulders are over the kettlebells right now. What I'm gonna do is with my feet at a nice wide base, I'm gonna row up and come right on down. Row up, down. That's 1 rep. 2, 3, 4, 4, right on down. So if you're using the dumbbells, you would do it very similarly. Get them roughly at shoulder width. Get that good plank position, just like this. Wide feet, sink it down, heads in line, row up, row down. Up, up, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now, as you're doing this, yes, this is a great exercise for your back, your biceps, but it also really engages your core, which is incredibly important because the core is the center of your power. It's the center of your stability, of your spine. So a strong core means more energy and a stronger body. So we just finished the rows. Now we're gonna move immediately to our final exercise, push-ups. So same exact starting position, really. Right here on the dumbbells. Nice wide position, drop it down right to here. We are going to take a deep breath in, head straight, come on down, pause, press right back up. Down, squeeze that chest, right back up. Down, right back up. Down, right back up. Now, if you're just starting out, it might be challenging for you to do these kind of push-ups without being on your knees, and that is perfectly great. Over half the people who start this workout start this on their knees, and you will get a lot stronger and more fit. If that's the case, just simply get your knees down on the floor, still squeeze those dumbbells. Good position right here. Take a deep breath, come down, press right back up. Down, right back up. Down. 4, just like that. So at this point, we have finished our entire first cycle of this workout. We went from those swings immediately to the squats, to that overhead press, down to the rows, finish with the push-ups. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, we started on a set with 4 reps. 4 reps through the entire cycle. At this point, I would rest for 45 to 60 seconds, then do my next circuit of 5. Then I would rest, do my next circuit of 6. I would work my way all the way up in that fashion to 10 reps, and then I'd work my way back down the pyramid. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I would rest in between all those sets, then I would come down 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the workout builds up to that peak set of 10, then you work your way right back down 9, 8, 7, 6. Resting between each circuit, but not in between the individual exercises. So I hope that makes sense, and there's a PDF for this video that lays out everything. And a couple other really effective things about this particular workout is it's very safe. There's a built-in warm-up on the front end of the pyramid where those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rep sets warm your body up. And then on the back end of the workout, after you've gotten through the bulk of the work, the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 cools you down nice and gently. Now, you might be thinking as you start this workout, man, this is super easy as you're in sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's designed that way. When you get to sets 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back down 9, 8, 7, 6, it's going to challenge you in a very good way. It's gonna help your body be more resilient to stress, and it's gonna work your muscles, increase your metabolism. That's everything that we want. That's why I'm sharing this exact workout with you. It's convenient, it's safe, it's deadly effective. So I hope this makes sense and you know how to start implementing this into your routine. It's an incredibly effective tool. And obviously I'm gonna give you some tips and ideas on how you can incorporate this. And depending on your specific goals that you want with your body and your performance, this is a great tool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Definitely download the PDF associated with this video so you know exactly what to do. You can print out the workout sheet, put it in your journal, and when you're on the go or you're traveling or you do this at your home or at a gym, you know exactly what to do rep by rep. It's a simple and effective workout. Thanks for being here, my friend. Download that PDF, and I'll see you in some of our other training videos.